Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I'm your host, TheJuan&Only, and for today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the 4 all-new colors to one of my favorite accessories by Apple, their leather wallet with MagSafe. Compatible with iPhone 12s or newer, and coming in at $59 a pop, these serve as a great companion to your iPhone setup by allowing you to store 2 or 3 credit cards and a few bills in there. Not to mention it can also serve as a form of a grip, since rocking an iPhone without a case is not only dangerous, but feels slippery at times too. I have a full and proper in-depth review of these bad boys, so if you're in the market for one of these and are planning to purchase one and need all the facts, I'd encourage you to click the card at the top right, or similarly, click the link in the video description. Guys, this is going to be a real quick one as we'll mainly focus on the all new colors, plus also showcase them on the brand new leather cases for the iPhone 14 line, and at the end, I'll tell you which combination is my personal favorite. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we do have 4 brand new colors, which brings the number of available colors to 9 as of the recording of this video over on apple.com. So as you can see, there's a color for just about everyone, ranging from brighter colors to more muted and low-key colors. With the 4 new releases, you do get a nice range of colors from the color spectrum to best suit your taste. So first, we feature Umber, a saddle brown-like color with reddish tendencies that make it appear like a really dark brown clay kind of color with a hint of brick-like reds. Then we have Forrest Green, which is my personal favorite new color, being this lively green that is both dark and lively at the same time. Then we have Ink, which is a nice twist of deep navies mixed in with ultra dark violets and purples that creates a mysterious effect, especially when in direct sunlight. But do be warned, it is very dark, and with the patina process setting in, it's sure to only get darker with time, to the point where it may even begin to look black after a while. And finally we have Orange, a color so bright and lively it should really belong in something like a spring release, since it's just so energetic. This suffers the opposite fate as Ink, as in the patina process may or may not make this color look a little dirty with time, or at least with brighter colors that's normally the case. You may notice Midnight missing, but Midnight was actually already released and is still being offered on Apple's website, so it technically doesn't count as a new color. So look, here's the thing, I already reviewed all these colors in my last upload, that being my iPhone 14 Pro leather case review. Again, I'll link the card at the top right. So instead of going over the same thing, I'll instead showcase the brand new cases on the all new purple iPhone 14 Pro by itself, and then with different cases, so you can see some of my favorite combinations. By doing some simple maths, if there are 5 new case colors and 4 new wallet colors, that's just 5 times 4 different combinations for a total of 20 different combinations you can make with the new case colors plus new wallet colors. But first, let's show them off on the all-new purple featured for the first time on the iPhone 14 Pro, and let me just hype up this purple. I was initially on the fence, and I was really unsure if I should have picked up silver or purple for my iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm so glad I decided on purple. It's new and refreshing, and man, when the sun hits it just right, it looks phenomenal. So if you're one of those people who rock your iPhone caseless but happen to rock a leather wallet on there, then I hope this video is useful to you, because that purple backdrop from the phone layered with the 4 new colors makes for some rather intriguing combinations. So that was just the wallets with the iPhone, but what about when we add a case to add even more color combinations? First off, gotta get something off my chest. It's well understood as an Apple sheep that matching the same wallet color with the same case color is kind of seen as an unspoken sin. For instance, look at how hideously bright orange on orange is. Like, dude, you're gonna blind people. Put that thing away. You know what I mean? For that reason, it's seldom you see someone with the same exact 2 colors. I think it's a bit overboard, but hey, if you're into this, then, do you. Instead, what I feel is the better choice is to do either contrasting or complementing colors, and for this, here now we have a stark contrast with the orange leather case with the Ink leather wallet. See, this is more like it. You get an omega bright case with a uber dark wallet, plus the purple accents from the camera cutout is the perfect cherry on top. I really like this super bright versus super dark battle that's going on here. As for Umber, I think this one up next is one of the most unique pairings, and that's combining it with the Forest Green leather case. I don't even have the right words to explain what makes this pairing so great, but I truly dig it. I guess it's because I imagine the bark of a tree only with some clay red hues and the deep greens found from like pine leaves. I don't know, it looks very scenic and I'm here for it. Now, still on the topic of Forrest Green, but this time with the Forrest Green leather wallet, I find is best suited for a more darker background. So here, I think a nice complementing color works well, and it does so on something like the midnight leather case. It's nowhere near being flashy or over the top, and instead creates a calming atmosphere that I quite enjoy. The sparkle from the camera cutout is also a nice bonus, but realistically, I feel that Forest Green is just that color that can pair up with just about anything. And lastly, my personal favorite and the color combination I'm currently rocking, the orange leather wallet with the midnight leather case. Once again, here we go with the whole contrasting feel, with a really bright wallet layered on a very chill and dark background. I'm a massive fan of lively and bouncy colors, but you can't overdo it or risk others thinking you're begging for attention, and this here, yup, this is it. This combination is a joy to look at, and if you have the silver iPhone, the lighter color from the cutout will make this combination pop out even more, I feel like. It's the best of both worlds, where you feature an awesome and classic dark color mixed with the complete opposite, a color that makes you want to get up and do something thanks to its vibrancy and energy. I'm sure many will relate when I say I'm in love with this pairing. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 4 all-new colors for the leather wallets. I am so sorry, I still have a few more bands to review, and I'm also planning for the live stream giveaway to be in early November. So guys, bear with me. I did have a family emergency as well as midterms just this last week, but now it's grind time. Stay tuned for more iPhone content, including my full review on the iPhone 14 Pro line, as well as the new Google Pixel 7, which is on its way to the studio. As always, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let me know down below which color combination from all of the new colors you think is the best pairing. Like I said, I think my favorite is the midnight with orange, but that's just my opinion. Alright guys, clocking out for now, but I cannot wait to catch you all in the next one.